Jatende migawo mar somo pacho ka Ngire George Magoha owacho ni gedo mag ute somo ma kwan gi nyalo romo 10,000 ma bende jopuonjre mag junior secondar biro somoe ibiro tieki kochopo dwe mar 8 mar higa ni eri. Ngire Magoha owacho ni tielo mokwongo kata phase mokwongo osegero classrooms ma hewa 6,000 e skunde go eko mag piny owacho kendo gedo margi rumo e kind jumbe 2 mabiro. Bende Magoha owacho ni piny owacho ni kod geno mathoth ni ute somo maromo 10,000 biro romo jopuonjre duto maromo 2.5 ma bende biro riwore kod junior secondar. Magoha oloso e limbe mare ma bende notimo kinyi ma kawuono e skunde go eko mag ji giwegi e county ma Kisumu.
Which means instead of children from Kisumu rushing to the alliances and the Kenya high schools of this world, for junior high school, they will be given the same service here in Kisumu. So I don't see the pressure and the negative energy and attitude that we are having. I have been assured by the head of the private schools, who is Mr. Jopuonjre here, that they already have 1,200 classrooms ready, and that by the end of July, they will have another 5,000 classrooms ready. Now that is an extra space that is available for us, and the government is going to continue to facilitate and ensure that these schools are registered as quickly as possible. There is a process. The fact that I've even commissioned this one does not stop the process to continue, to work with our quality assurance people. I would like to assure the Private Schools Association that the government is ready and willing to work with them, and that when His Excellency the President has pronounced himself as the head of state and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, and we have agreed to work for him. Some of us are not politicians, we are just professional workers. So we are going to work and we are going to deliver. So I would like to reiterate the fact that CBC is not going anywhere, and you can see how much money the government has placed in CBC. Our beloved children who are in grade 6, their examination is ready. And the small matter of how they are going to transit into that junior secondary is being worked on. And sooner rather than later, definitely before we leave office, we shall leave a clear pathway as to how the children are going to go to junior secondary schools.